How to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to transfer the items between Roblox account, there is no option to direct transfer of items between accounts, which means there is no way by which you can transfer items from one account's inventory to another. However, if you want to transfer the places or a game or creation of your own, you can transfer ownership or share it by using the Roblox Studio. This can allow you to manage who can access and edit the place. Likewise, another alternate option that you can opt for is you have to purchase the items again on the new account. Only this way you should be able to get the items on the account. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.